Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT generate images. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to create detailed and stunning visuals with the help of ChatGPT. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is open ChatGPT and make sure that you're logged into your account to access the image generation feature. And when you ask ChatGPT to create an image, it is crucial to provide a prompt that clearly describes what you want to see. The more detailed and specific your prompt, the better the result. Here I entered a simple prompt that generated an image of a unicorn, and this is the image that ChatGPT created with the provided prompt. Here's how you can structure your prompt to bring this vision to life. So start by specifying the style you want. For example, you might say you want your image in a fantasy style. Then next, decide on the format of your image. You can specify something like square format, and this tells ChatGPT the size and the shape of your image. After this, clearly state what you want to see in your image. For example, a unicorn, a cat, a tree. This is the central focus of your image, so make sure it is described clearly. And then describe how you want the subject to be viewed. For example, in this prompt I added viewed from a low angle. Now this makes the unicorn appear majestic. Also, don't forget to add the detail what should be in the background of your image. Here you might describe a forest with glowing trees and sparkling river, or you can add the detail of whatever you want in the background of your image. Now this adds depth and set the scene around your main subject. Don't forget to choose the colors and lighting to set the mood. Now this is going to enhance the magical atmosphere of your scene. And if you want to include any text in your image, you can specify what it should say and where it should be placed. This adds a final touch to your image and ties everything together. And if you have any reference images or styles, mention them to provide additional context, because this helps ChatGPT to understand your vision even better. And you can download this image by clicking on this download icon on the image, and with that, this image will be downloaded and you can view it. Now you can see these different images that ChatGPT created with different prompts. So make sure to make your prompt more detailed and specific for better results. You can review the image and see if it meets your expectations. And if you need adjustments, then refine your prompt with additional details or changes and submit it again. And once you're happy with the generated image, you can save it. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.